The Onion Survival Parasaw is a paracord bracelet with an embedded wire saw that is designed for emergency use in survival situations. Strong nylon 550 paracord houses the durable tungsten carbide coated saw. This versatile wire saw can be used for essential tasks: cutting tree limbs for an emergency shelter, making tinder to start a life-saving fire. The paracord can be used for lashing corners for a survival shelter, starting fires with a bow drill. The 7 inner strands of the paracord are also useful for fishing line or makeshift sewing thread. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The Parasaw Survival Bracelet from CRKT comes in 3 colors and 2 sizes. It is an essential tool for emergency survival situations.
The LifeStraw Flex with Gravity Bag is a compact, lightweight, and versatile water filtration system. The durable bag holds a gallon of water, making it perfect for hiking and camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. The LifeStraw Flex features a membrane microfilter that removes parasites and bacteria such as E. coli, Giardia, Salmonella, as well as microplastics. It also features an activated carbon filter that reduces heavy metals such as lead, as well as chemicals like chlorine for an improved taste. The membrane microfilter filters up to 500 gallons, and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 25 gallons. Replacement filters are available. The Flex filter is versatile. It can be used with the Gravity Bag, with the collapsible squeeze bottle, as a straw, with a plastic bottle, and with a hydration bladder. The Gravity Bag is made from a high-quality laminated nylon and holds a gallon of water. Fill the bag from a freshwater source, roll 3 times and close. The convenient strap makes it easy to carry and hang from anywhere.
This is the Doubledown from Gerber. The Doubledown is unlike any other tool in the market. It combines the features of a knife, a machete, and a hatchet all in one compact package. During development, we obsessed over durability, knowing it needed to withstand years of extreme impact while still delivering finesse. The butterfly opening mechanism has gears to enable controlled and safe deployment to nearly double in size. The Doubledown is built for 3 activities: chopping, splitting, and core knife work. For your splitting tasks, we added jimping to the spine of the blade so that when you baton, all that energy is transferred straight into the wood. Whether you're clearing brush or small trees, the length of the Doubledown optimizes your force at impact. For core knife work, choking up on the handle gives complete control over the slightly recurved blade. The quad lock system is both safe and intuitive, with a built-in stop to remind users to clear their fingers from the path of the blade. For added strength and performance, features include a stability bar and an overstrike guard. It's available in 3 colors and comes with a multi-mount sheath that can be worn vertically on the belt or attached to MOLLE webbing.
Meet Vessel Camp Supplies. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. Each Vessel Camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. Vessel Camp Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure gear.
Go Time Gear's Life Tent is a waterproof and windproof 2-person emergency shelter that will protect you from harsh weather and keep you alive. The Life Tent is constructed of extra thick, tear and puncture resistant material that locks out rain, wind, and snow. Unlike an ordinary tube tent, the Life Tent's reflective interior reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and protecting you from hypothermia. Setting up the Life Tent is quick and easy so you can rapidly protect yourself in an emergency. Simply run the 20-foot rope of 550-pound nylon core paracord through both ends of the tent and tie it between 2 trees or sturdy objects 3 to 4 feet off the ground. Anchor the corners of the tent using rocks or gear and climb inside to safety. If there's nowhere for you to tie the paracord rope and prop up your tube tent, there's no need to panic. The Life Tent can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket. The Life Tent comes rolled up inside of a nylon stuff sack that includes our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring, combining 9-strand nylon core 550-pound paracord and a thunderous 120 decibel survival whistle that's powerful enough to cut through strong wind and trees, alerting rescuers up to 1 mile away. You'll have an emergency-ready survival tube tent with a powerful signaling whistle, so you have the essential tools to stay alive and signal for help. Even though the Life tent is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 8.7 ounces, it's durable enough for dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it back up, and slide it into the waterproof nylon stuff sack.